Hi my friends, I am Magician A. Shorkar on behalf of Magic World Shop. Today I am going to present before you a wonderful magic. Here I have a box of cigarette, a pack of cigarette, and out of the many cigarettes I select just one cigarette. Look at the cigarette. No. Smoking the cigarette is injurious to health. So right now I am not smoking. I just want to perform a magic with this cigarette. So you can look the cigarette, it's here. And here we have an empty hollow tube. You can see the tube, an empty hollow tube with a cap, golden cap. Now I am putting the cigarette inside the tube. Look, I am putting the cigarette inside the tube and I cover it with the cap. Now I am giving some magical pass, gilly gilly hocus pocus, and when I take it out, in the cap there is nothing, okay? And here you can see, ready, 1, 2, 3, the cigarette turns into a smaller cigarette that you cannot smoke with that one, and it is not injurious because it is too small to injure. So it turns into a smaller cigarette. Thus my message: don't smoke, leave the smoking and live long. So if you want to buy this product, this is called the cigarette vanish tube. It's a very easy magic, you can do it, and very attractive magic. You can show it to your friends. Hi all my friends. Now I am showing you another presentation. Here I have a pencil. You can see the pencil, it's a black color pencil. And we have a paper here. So now I am, let me check the pencil. Look, from both sides I am writing something. Okay. So this is the black color pencil, and here we have one empty tube. It's a hollow tube, empty tube. Let me show you, it's blank. And now look at the color. It's a black color pencil. Now I am inserting the pencil here. Look the color again, it's completely black. Okay, now I take the cap and I close it. Now I am giving some magic spell, gilly gilly hocus pocus abracadabra, and I open the cap. Then, wow, the pencil turns into red color. Look, the pencil completely, it turns into red color. That's nice. Hello, now we are coming to the teaching how you perform this cigarette magic and the color changing pencil. At first we are coming to the cigarette. Actually it is not vanished, it is not comes into small size. Actually it is hidden here, but if you shake it, it will not come out. Here is a gimmick, and here is some spring type material, and here is some design. So you have to put the design side inside and put it inside, make it tight, then pull it out. Then the dummy cigarette, the toy cigarette is coming out. It is actually looks like a cigarette, but actually it's a hollow metal pipe, aluminum pipe. And inside the pipe you can put anything or a small cigarette also. Okay. Now you have to take a blank cigarette box, and here you can take the cigarette. You may also take a box with few cigarettes, and you can check other cigarettes to the audience, and then after that you take this special one. One thing you have to remember, this black portion must not be visible, so you have to hold the black portion with your 2 fingers like this, or you have to hold it like a cigarette. We are holding original cigarette, and we have to guard it with the thumb, because otherwise the small cigarette will come out like that. So you have to hold it. Then we give it to the audience for checking that it's blank, and we show the cigarette, and we have to put it inside like that. We are putting it inside and give a pressure with your thumb, and then take the cap and cover it and give the magic spell. And when audience open, automatically it will auto lock. When they turn, they found the small cigarette. If they try to take out the original cigarette, they can't, because it is locked. How you make appear the cigarette again? You have to put it again and you have to pull it. It's very simple. So this is the secret of cigarette vanish tube. It is also available in small size. This is the big one, this is the small one. In both size it is available, and the cigarette size also there is difference between the cigarette size, and the gimmick also smaller. This gimmick also smaller. So look at the cigarette size. That is also smaller. The small size and the king size. So I think you understand the magic. The magic is same. You have to put it here like that. Make your finger tight. Push your finger. Now close it. Now open, and the smallest cigarette will come out. The simple thing. Now we are coming to the pencil color change. Okay. The secret is same. This is the tube. Actually the pencil is hidden here, and this is the original pencil. So we have to put it here inside and pull it out, and the metal pencil will come out, and here is the sharp head, and you can write it. Actually little pencil is given on the top, but other all the things made by aluminium, or in many cases it's made by plastic. So you have to put it here inside, and do not show the back side like the cigarette. Do not show the back side. You may put it here like that. You can show it empty to the audience. Give this to audience hand. Now put the pencil inside and press it. Now take the cap and close it. Give it to the audience. When audience open, they found that the pencil color change. It turns into red one. I think you understand both of the magic. Thank you for watching the video, and if you want to purchase more products, then visit our catalog, and there you will get all the products links from our description. Thank you for today.